Ching, Mami Annabel Balala.
Ayos. Tuwang-tuwa si Ranton.
Next is Little Miss, Darling of the Crowd.
Enjoy ka? Chat yung face nun ah.
Little Miss Body Beautiful.
Para sa
Little Miss Most Charming. And Little Miss Most Elegant. Congratulations, candidate number 6. May request, Judge Jerlyn Silva to award
Ay, sorry.
Alright, let us proceed for Miss Preteen category. Miss Preteen Flawless and Miss Preteen Most Elegant goes to candidate number 12. May request Laija, Shaina, Santiago to the honor, please. Miss Laija. Our Miss Pretty Global for Kids and Teens editions. Number 12, please forward.
Eh, kaya ka muna. Kaya ka muna to. Ako muna paala dito sa pwesto mo. Kasi after dito, vacation. Sa mga
Next is
makapitik din.
Miss Pretty Close-Up Smile and Miss
Solo.
Most Charming goes to number 10.
Tinatiis yung linapit.
May request Mr. L. Carbusi to the honor, please.
Okay naman. Oh, nauna na siya. Sige, kain lang kayo. Oh, mauna ka. Ulin na kami. Ha? Oo, nakaano na siya eh. May inapangan ako. Sana makuha yung manok ko. Yung manok ako eh. Yung pinuto ko. Ate, pwede pa hiram yan? Nambara mo? Kamitig sa photoshoot ko. Wildlife.
Next is Miss Preteen Best in Catwalk, Miss Preteen Body Beautiful, Miss Preteen Most Energetic. Congratulations, candidate number 9. May request, Judge Brian Duyag to the honor, please.
Okay. Dito lang. Sige, kain na. Baka ako sumuko, may hinihintay ako eh. Sana makuha yun. Ako may hinihintay ako pro speaker. May hinihintay ako pro speaker ako. Sana makuha yung manok ko. May manok ako eh. Pinuto ko eh. Ha? Hindi ka lang tayo lang. Huwag mo na ako intindihin. Basta nakita lang kita
Next is Miss Pretty Photogenic, Miss Pretty Most Stylish, goes to number 11. I request Jazz Margie Sanggalang to the honor, please.
Wait.
Next is Miss Preteen Media Choice Award, Miss Preteen Darling of the Crowd, Miss Preteen Social Media Award. Congratulations, candidate number 8. Goes to candidate number 13. May request Miss Casmir Verlan to the honor, please.
Solo.
Next is Miss Tina Most Energetic, Miss Tina Social Media Award, and Miss Tina Most Elegant goes to number 16. Mr. L. Carl Lucy to the honor. Congratulations to our candidate in each category: Mini Miss, Little Miss, Miss Teen, and Miss Teen. And now let us proceed for Mr. Teen category. Mr. Teen Flawless and Mr. Teen Social Media Awards goes to number 17. Miss Lydia Zaina Santiago to the honor, please.
Hatiin mo. Ganyan na natin.
For Mr. Teen Close Up Smile and Mr. Teen Most Energetic goes to number 20. Miss Virgie Batalla Bermundo to the honor, please. for Mr. Teen Best in Catwalk, Mr. Teen Photogenic. Congratulations, candidate number 19, Miss Jezebel Timons, to the honor, please. Congratulations. Next is Mr. Teen Media Choice Award and Mr. Teen Most Elegant goes to number 18, Jazz Marquez Angala, to the honor, please. Next is Mr. Teen, Darling of the Crowd. Mr. Teen, Body Beautiful. Mr. Teen, Most Charming. Alright.
Solo.
Alright. So I'm sorry. Steve Harvey tayo ngayon. Mr. Teen, Darling of the Crowd, Mr. Teen Most Stylish, and Mr. Teen Most Charming goes to number 21. Mr. Brian Luya, to the honor, please. And also Mr. Teen Body Beautiful. Mr. Brian Luya, may request, the honor po. Candidate number 21.
CR. CR.
Miss Jerlane Silva. Thank you so much. Nakakapigil hininga ang laban ngayong araw. So, tingnan natin kung sino ang uuwi ng Corona. Live pa rin pa tayo sa Manila Grand Opera Hotel, and this is King and Queen Model World Philippines 2025 Season 2. Please don't forget to use hashtag #DiMalaStylesPhilippines, hashtag King and Queen Model World Philippines 2025, hashtag Manila Grand Opera Hotel. May attention please, our Balala siblings on their presentations.
Solo.
Thank you so much, candidates. You may now go back on the backstage and get ready for your gown or formal attire later on. Muli po, maraming salamat sa ating mga candidates from Mini Miss, Little Miss, Miss Preteen, and Miss Teen, and of course sa ating Mr. P. Talaga namang napakagara ng mga kasuotan ng